Okay, so I think we're streaming right now. We should be good. All right, guys. I'm currently live trading gold with my trading algorithm, Archangel X. We're in some buys right now. Let me share my screen. Let's just jump straight into this stuff. So yeah, I got MetaTrader on one side. God damn, this thing is tanking on me. Fuck. We were so close. Like this area right here is where my trading algorithm put the TP for the two current trades that it sends. You can see is at 3241, 3240 on this one. So that's around this area. But right now, we got this fucking shit tanking down. Oh my God. But I mean, it's not a big issue for me because we have trailing stop losses on this trading algorithm. So although we entered at 3208 for the first trade and then it doubled down at 3222, it put the stop loss at 3226 and 3229, which would be around this area right here. So even if this thing reverses back, worst case scenario is we're not going to be able to make the 3,900 or 4 grand that we're currently at, but maybe we'll cash in like 2,000 or something. But this thing is tanking on me, bro. God damn it. I swear everything was good before I started recording. It was just choppy. It was just ranging like crazy. As you can see here, it's just nothing but range. I was like, okay, let me start streaming. And as soon as I start streaming, this thing wants to fall down a cliff. Bro, it ain't like funny, huh? Whatever, bro. We're gonna let it do its thing. If you check here, you can see the actual entries. So we entered like right here and we doubled down on it right here. But yeah, so far we're still doing okay. We're at $3,600 in profit. So we're not really struggling or suffering. Hold on. Yeah. I got multiple windows open here, multiple different set files for gold, for Euro USD, even for a bunch of things. You can see, where is that? Let's put last month. Yeah, so we're up $9,000 for the month, as you can see. Actually, you can't see. Oh yeah, it's right here. But my actual one is hidden by the camera. But yeah, we're up $9,000 so far for the month, so we're doing pretty okay. We did have some losses a bit here, nothing crazy this month. But last month was actually a losing month, to be completely honest and transparent with you. We had a losing month. Fortunately, I did not lose too much, but we did lose for that month. Actually, let me pull up a FX books. Gotta log in first. But I did lose for April. I don't know when I'm gonna upload this or not upload it, or I don't know what I'm gonna do with this video. But just for reference, right now it's May 19. I know I'm always so late with the uploads. Like I might do something and upload it months later. I hope that's not the case here. Fuck, bro, this shit is tanking down. That's the reality of trading, guys. And I wanted to do it live because everything was going well. I was like, yo, I'm gonna catch this big ass W. I mean, it's still a W, to be honest, but still, like, why did it have to tank down? I was up like 4,200 in profits, and that was whatever, bro. It is what it is. Worst case scenario, I know that we're protected, so at least I feel safe. But yeah, just to show you that losing month right here. So if you check this thing right here, you can see that for April we actually lost 1.23%. So that's a loss. It's not a big loss. It's nothing crazy, nothing we can't recover from, right? I mean, we already recovered it. We're up 2.6% for this month already. My goal is to hit at least 10%. So let's see what we could do. Again, my account is a large account, so these numbers might sound very small to you, but when you're trading a multi six-figure account, like these things add up to a good amount of money. Again, this is my large account that we're trading here, so we're not going to be doing crazy numbers, but I do have some smaller accounts like 20 grand. I think I have one with 18,000. Let me check. That sometimes I just like try different shit out with. It's currently at 16,000 because I had a couple of losses. But the initial deposit on it was 12,000 and we grew it to 16,000 in like a month or less. I was trying some SPX 500 strategies, but it wasn't working too well. So I think I'm gonna stick to the basics. But this is just like my testing account. It's real money, but I just be like testing different things that I don't want to do on my large account. My large account, I'm more conservative with. I'm pretty safe with. But let's go back to here, bro. That's so sad though, bro. Like I started the stream, we were somewhere here, and now we're already all the way here, almost hitting our stop loss. And this shit is just tanking. What time is it in the States? 12 p.m. Is there news or something? There ain't no news right now. It's no fucking news. That's gold for you. By the way, this is, oh no, we're gonna hit the stop loss. We're gonna hit the stop loss. Oh, we're about to hit it. We're about to hit it. Ah. We're gonna hit stop loss. I mean, at the end of the day, I'm still happy with everything because we're still able to it's reversing. Oh my god, look how close that was. Shit. Look how close that was. Let me not talk too soon. We gotta do the hammer strategy. I don't know if you guys ever seen it or the one where you're like put it up because this thing is trippy right now. But yeah, overall, I think we're in for a very choppy summer. That's the thing, is that my bot currently we had it trading for a while, but we're trading like with the trend. We're trading big downswings, big upswings. But right now, this summer, I think we're gonna be in for a very choppy summer. It's gonna be a lot of consolidation, a lot of range. So we did add some new features inside of our bot to be able to trade these things. We've also added things where you can do like single trade, so kind of like a manual trader, which is kind of like what you're seeing. We did a bunch of new things that we're releasing soon to y'all, and it's gonna be amazing to use. But yeah, we added a lot of range setting, especially for EMA and for ADX, because we're anticipating, we don't know, right? We don't know shit, but we anticipating that it's gonna be a ranging summer, a choppy summer. Oh, that thing is tanking. I should have taken. So yeah, we're anticipating to be a choppy summer. So we did add a whole lot of range trading abilities to this trading algorithm so that it doesn't trade just the trends. We added a lot of range options to the EMA indicator and to the ADX indicator. By the way, if you're not familiar with how this works, basically we're taking in we're taking into account different indicators like ADX, like EMA, like Bollinger Bands, and like the RSI, and creating different combinations of different confluences and having multiple confluences stacked together before entering the trades. But instead of doing it ourselves, we're letting the trading bot do all of that. So we're basically hands off. You can watch some of my other YouTube videos to see exactly how that works and all of that good stuff. But yeah, honestly, it's pretty hands off. Most of the time, the only real work you have to do is when you're optimizing your files, which happens once a month, once every 2 months, depending on the market. For example, right now we're anticipating that the market is going to switch to like a sideways position. So because of that, we might need to update all of our files to accommodate that. And that's why we're also updating the actual software itself and the algorithm itself. So we're all on top of this. We got members winning. Let me hop on Discord. Let's see what's happening. I think it's a slow Monday. We just started. Okay, we got some results here. Let's see. Fuck is that, bro? Why are you sending me, bro? What is all of this? Anyone know what the entry condition refers to? I'm unable to read where these conditions are. Yeah, we got Young Browns right here. Said market just opened and it's smacking. So what is he trading? He's trading gold too. Holy, he got a whole lot of trades open. He's smacking as you can see. His shit is going crazy. He's trading 0.01. He's trading on the 5 minute, huh? I usually trade on the 1 minute with my algorithm. But I don't know, maybe he could just be watching the chart on the 5 minute, but it's actually trading on the 1 minute on his MetaTrader. So, but yeah, he got a whole lot of trades open. I see a whole lot of wins. So he's smacking gold up, which is a good thing. What we got, oh, the same dude. Yeah, but his lots are very small in my opinion. He could go a bit higher. I'm trading one lot per trade. We got Artorias here also trading gold. Okay, so we got a couple gold traders. He's up like 1800 from what I can see here. Let me move the camera. Yeah, right here you see the 1800. So he's doing pretty good. He's doing good. But yeah, that's just inside of our Discord. A couple of wins from right now. What else is there? We got a whole Archangel AI, by the way. We got an AI thing you can speak to inside our community. And yeah, and then what do we have for support? I think the issue is because I changed the time frames for 1 hour to 1 minute. Okay, there's just some support stuff. But yeah, back to our friend Gold here. By the way, I think we entered yeah, we entered somewhere down here. And we're currently up here. So that's why I'm not too mad, right? And it did not hit our stop loss yet, so we're kind of still okay for now. So we're bro, as soon as I start speaking, oh my god. Hey bro, that's just the game. But honestly, after years of doing this stuff, you just get numb to it. It's just a game. It's just a game. It's just numbers. It's just imaginary numbers on a fucking screen. And sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. That's literally the game. I should have some background music, some lo-fi hip-hop background music. I think that's a good idea. Maybe we'll add it in the edit if we edit the stream. Huh. Bro, why so much bearish fucking force? We were doing fine. Well, maybe you gotta zoom out sometimes. I mean, sometimes you have to zoom out to get the entire perspective. Again, this is on the 1 minute time frame, so you're looking at a whole lot of 1 minutes. If we go into the 1 hour, the story is gonna be very different. So this is why we got bearish pressure. So we're right on that line right now. We're right on that line of structure. So it's like that's why we've been flipping, flopping, and being and ranging for quite a while, to be honest. But overall, we were in a downtrend last week. But yeah, that explains it a bit better. But we're just ranging like. There was a time, like especially back. Oh man, that thing is about to. Oh, one of our trades closed, bro. We hit stop loss. We hit stop loss. Oh man, we hit stop loss on one of the trades, guys. We still have this one running. We're at 2,000 profit. The other one hit the stop loss. But what did it close at? It closed at $637 profit. Not great. Not too bad. Oh, bro, this is going to take us out. This right here is going to take us out. Oh. Or not. Oh, man. Yo, it's kind of nerve-wracking trading live, to be honest, huh? Last time I did this was such a long time ago. Hold on, let me check. When was the last time I traded live? That was years ago. I should do this more often. I don't know. If you guys give me the views and stuff, I'll do it. I don't mind. But let's find out. Let's see. Last time I did this. By the way, all right here. As soon as it's like somehow they're listening to me and brought up a video from 3 years ago, listening to me saying that I'm trading live. And how did they pull it up? Huh? Google, I'm on to your shit, bro. I know y'all got the spy cams or the spy mics, whatever it is. But yeah, it was 3 years ago. That was my last live stream. And that was when I was still trading a lot of prop firms. I don't even trade prop firms like that anymore. I mean, to be honest, I'm past that level at this point. But if you are there, I still think it's a valid option. But yeah, I'll definitely do more trading content. I'm not, by the way, this is not drugs. This is smelling stuff from Thailand. I was on a Thailand trip, which I'm actually gonna be uploading a vlog regarding that. Oh man, look how close we are to fucking touching our stop loss right now. We like almost touched it. Look. We're getting saved. Hold on, let me blow on it. Yeah, you see that works. You see that worked. Man, bro, I'm telling you, bro. Hold on. You see that work? That worked right there, bro. That's how you trade, man. Technical analysis, my ass. You gotta blow on it. No homo, no homo, no homo. No homo. It's not what I meant. But look at the results. You gotta sell your soul to the markets. Some Diddy stuff. No, I'm joking. Yeah. Interesting. What was I talking about? I don't even remember. But yeah, I can do these kind of things more often now. I went through. Oh yeah, I was talking about this. This is not a drug. This is what is it called? Thailand smell. It's called the Hong Thai inhalant. It basically smells like, Vicks, like the one you rub on your chest. It smells like that, but better and natural, and it's just great. And it just opens up your noses, and I don't know, it makes you sharper. Maybe it's like a lesser version of smelling salts, although I never tried that. But yeah. Oh, that's good. That's good. But yeah, I was talking about like I could do these more often if you guys want me to. I freed up a lot of my time, I'm not gonna lie, I was going through some stuff. That's why you guys have not seen much of me. Who emailing me? You guys have not seen much of me. Was going through a few things just overall in life. Sometimes life gets in the way, or sometimes you get in your own way. And yeah, had to readjust my mindset, especially, and gain. Whoa, we're shooting up, boy. We're shooting up. Let's go. Nah, bro, as soon as I say that, I can't gas you up. This is a toxic relationship I have with gold. But no, I was saying, like, I was going through some things and I cleared my mind. Now I'm much better. And so I definitely can start pumping these out more, or even day in the live vlogs. Like, I'm doing more of those. Cause my little brother, he posted one of these on his channel, and the shit is already like 7,000 views in like a week or something. And I haven't posted day in the life vlogs. He posted just like, he just came visit me, showing like the Lambo, showing the cars and stuff like that. Just flexy shit. People love that. But when I make like educational content, or like, like educating you on things, they don't get as many views. But it's always the flexy shit that gets the views. But maybe I'll just mix it up, because for a while, like, what was my last like flexy shit video? Like, all of this is like Forex trading, easy mode, how to get FTMO in the USA, the #1 reason traders fail, how we trade 23 million. It's all like educational content that teaches you something, right? Dopamine, why sell it. Like all of this is, none of this stuff is like the last time I is like a year ago. It was this one that got like 9,000 views, and then this one 6, and then this one 11. So it was like more than a year ago. Let me see, what's the date? Yeah, so February 2024. So over a year ago. That was the last time I was doing some of these type of contents, and I just took a year break, to be honest. I was just not feeling it. I was just going through it mentally. Just sometimes you gotta go through certain phases to find your purpose back, and to find what you actually want to do in life, and how you want to move forwards, and what projects you want to take, what projects you don't want to take, all kinds of stuff. Okay, but we're building some positive momentum right now with the gold, by the way, which I'm happy about. We're at 2,200 almost. So yeah, we're doing good, although one of our trades closed, but this one seems to be surviving. I don't know if we're going to be able to hit the TP, or if I should just manually close it and cash it in, because I'm also doing the challenge. So I need all the money I can get right now. Yeah, also can't wait to release the 2.7 version. So this we're still trading with the 2.5 right here, as you can see up top. Here we're on the 2.5, but we got the 2.7. So we skipped the version. We didn't release it because I mean, well, it had good changes, but we were like, nah, let's bring out the crazy shit. The 2.7 got some major changes for our people who use Archangel. I mean, I'm not going to talk about that here because I don't know. Some of you guys don't even know what Archangel is. But yeah, it's basically our trading algorithm, and we'll make a post soon inside of the Discord about the new changes that we have. But yeah, we got a whole lot of good people winning with this stuff, man. So very happy that we get to deliver on a great product and people love it. So that's what it's about at the end of the day. But yeah, this thing is just playing with me at this point. We're just going back and forth here. We're just ranging. This is just like annoying, right? You just keep going up and down and up and down and up and down. We're just ranging. And that's why I said, I think it's going to be a choppy summer unless like there's more Trump deals that get announced. Then we can see this shit skyrocket, right? But literally, it's all in his palm right now. It's just like he just holding the market. Like any huge pumps is usually right now from Trump or news, really. Other than that, is going to be pretty choppy, in my opinion. Good momentum right there on that candle. I like that. Hold on, let's blow on it. No. Yeah. Yeah, you see, I'm telling you that it works. Like, fuck analysis, fuck price action, fuck SMC and all that crap. Just blow on it. No homo. Is there a synonym for blow on it that doesn't sound gay? Bro. Yeah, I like what I'm seeing right now. We're getting some positive momentum back. Oh, that's really good. Let's go. Let's go. You can see right here, the trade we closed here, we hit the stop loss somewhere there. So it's a nice little trade. Didn't have much drawdown, dude. It was a good sniper entry. We did not close at the top though, so we could have made more profits, but we didn't. But the trailing stop loss saved us because we weren't able to hit the TP. So I'm very happy with that. I'm happy with that. Wait, this one, the stop loss, did it update or something? 3226. Okay, so the stop loss now is at 3226. Yeah, so it's at the bottom of this. Okay, so let's bring this one down because that's the old one. But it's around that area of 3226. So we got quite a bit of room. Let's keep the chart simple for now. I don't want to pull up like a bunch of indicators. Is usually I like to put the same indicators that I have on Archangel X and pop them out on TradingView. For example, we got the, let me pull up the strategy tester right here. I gotta move some things around. Let's move it this way. Okay. So yeah, this is the current version of Archangel. As you can see right here, these are some of the settings. So we got ADX, right? So we can pull that up on TradingView. You got the EMA. Of course, we can pull that up on TradingView. We got RSI. We can pull that up on TradingView, and as well as Bollinger Bands, we can pull that up on TradingView. So at all times, you know, like what the trading algorithm is trying to use. At the same time, if you don't want to use that, you can also use ATR. So there's multiple different options of what you can do. This thing is very versatile, can trade like a lot of versatile trading conditions, which is what we love about it, and which is why it's literally the best shit out there. Let's put this back down. Okay, there we go. Bro, we just lost all that all that bullish momentum we just had. Seems like we're on a bit of a bearish run right here. Is this a place of structure? Yeah, it is. So we tested this and then got rejected. So you're going all the way down. So we got to get past this? I don't think we will, though. I don't know. Let's put a little line on there just to keep as reference. But if we can get past that, we hit our TP. We're good. Yeah, this ain't looking good, bruh. It's not looking good, bruh. We might end the day at like, I don't know. The other one was 600. If this hits stop loss, I don't know. It's going to be 1,500 with this one or less. So overall, maybe $2,000 for the day. I'll take it. I'm grateful for it, you know. Pays for some of the stuff I had to pay for today. I'm in the process of moving from this house to a new villa that I'm gonna pimp out and have a super dope trading room. I'm gonna do a video on that too. So stay on the lookout. I'm gonna show you guys step by step my trading setup. I don't like multiple monitors. Like, I know a lot of people like multiple monitors. I just like one super widescreen monitor. That's how I like to work. Oh, my camera is about to die. Oh man. If my camera still got a little bit of juice in it, but if I feel like it's about to die, I will close the trades out manually myself and just cash that in, although probably it might hit that structure and reverse back. But just, you know, for the live stream, so we can say, hey, I made $2,600 today or whatever for the title, and so that it's not a lie. But normally I would let it ride. You know, I would, if it hits the trailing stop loss, it hits it. If it doesn't and reverses back to hit our TP, then great. Normally I would do that. But for today's video, because I see the camera is kind of, oh man, I don't think we got much left in it. I should have connected the dummy battery instead of doing it on actual juice. Yep, it is what it is. But yeah, what you guys think of? I know the quality looks great. I just spent like $800 on just the lens to look good like this, bro. Like, this shit costs. Life is expensive, I'm not gonna lie. I just can't believe, like, I literally started the stream somewhere around here, right? And just as I start, this thing wants to embarrass me and just go all downhill. Like, bro, what? But I mean, it makes sense. This place got tested multiple times. This whole zone as a whole, you could see it got tested on the 1 minute multiple times. So it's a clear point of structure right there. And where we have our stop loss is as well. So it's It's just one of those ranging market conditions when my file is more of a trending file, right? So maybe it's time to re-optimize for this new market that we're about to enter, as it's summertime. As you guys know, summertime, the market slow down, the volume slows down. People go and enjoy their life, go enjoy their summers. People go and do fuck all, right? They're not trying to look at the charts. So it's a good opportunity, though. If you have ranging strategies, it's a great opportunity to really milk it and make money. It's easy money, too. But you got to have something that works for ranging markets. Usually, this is where manual traders don't really do well because there's no trends. This is where manual traders don't really do well. But if you're an algo trader like me and you got ranging strategies, this is where your algo can print. Even if you got like something as basic as a martingale strategy during the summer, that's print season right there. And that's with something like super basic. All right, with a martingale strategy, you could get that for $1,000 or less these days. So yeah. But when we talking about something advanced like Archangel X right here, we're gonna have some fun, especially with the new updates, because we added more range capabilities to it and more tools to detect ranges and to trade within the range. So yeah, man, it becomes powerful. So we're just basically replacing the manual trader, because the manual trader would depends on your strategy, right? But you would be looking at price action, you would be looking at a couple of indicators like RSI, like the EMA, like all of these things. And instead of you doing it right now, we got an algorithm doing that and have it multiple confluences before it chooses to enter the trades. So that's why this is really powerful, bro. Like we're not just, this is not a martingale strategy where you just go in and just like randomly take trades at any time and hope for them to reverse and this and that. Don't get me wrong, we made a lot of money with martingale because our first bot that we ever released was martingale back in 2021. But since then, technology has advanced. Our coding team is much better. We have more sophisticated strategies. Traders overall have become more sophisticated, and I feel like have become much more profitable than before. Like, I don't know what the statistics are for today, but I'm pretty sure there's more profitable traders today than ever. The reason why is just because there's more access to education. There's more courses out there, right? A lot of people love to hate on course sellers, but let's be honest, these course sellers are a big reason why more people are profitable, whether they're selling it or whether it's free on YouTube or whether there's mentorship programs now that people have, or there's more profitable algorithms just like Archangel X that you're witnessing right now, that we made $600 and about to cash in another $2,000 on top. So you're seeing all of this stuff. I feel like the market has evolved in a positive way in some ways. It has also evolved negatively in some other ways. But in this way, when it comes to actually trading and like profitability, I feel like more people are profitable today than ever before. And that's just simply because of the amount of access we have to information, the amount of access we have to education. And that even when I started, for example, 2019, there wasn't that much out there, bro. You still had to go to babypips.com to learn. So it's like just from 2019 to today, it's a whole shift. There's way more tools out there to help you out, and more things like Archangel X right here that can literally trade for you and make you money. So crazy stuff, but it's a positive evolution when it comes to this skill. Now, when it comes to the industry and stuff like that, that's a different conversation. But we're just talking about this right now. Yeah, boys, I don't think we're hitting the TP. So I might just call it a day. I might have to call it a day right here. My battery is about to die. We're already 34 minutes into this. I'm going to have to call it a day, guys, before my battery dies. Let it hit 2,000 and I'm closing. Yeah, let it. Boom, let's close it, guys. We're done. We are up $2,600 for the day. This could have I believe it could have reversed and hit again. Maybe I'll do another video where we go back, and I probably will regret this, or maybe I won't. But we'll find out. We are ranging right now, so it's not the funnest type of markets to trade. But we did do $2,600 for the day. Let me see. Let me give you the exact figure. 2,673 before commissions and stuff like that. So we did pretty okay for the day. I'm not mad at it. Great entries by Archangel X, by our trading algorithm. Cashed it in. I cannot be mad at that. I'd much rather a win than a loss. So yeah, we're doing good, especially coming off a losing month in April. So I'm very happy. And yeah, this thing is about to die right now. So guys, thank you for tuning in. Let me know down in the comments if I should do more of these, if you find them entertaining, if you find them educational, if you find them intriguing or not. If you do, then let me know down in the comments. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys in the next video. I'll see how this one performs. If it does good, if you guys like this kind of format, I could definitely do these more. Honestly, I do not go out. I mostly spend my day in the house, whether it's trading, whether it's working on my businesses, whether it's working on content. That's literally all I do. I'm not much of a partier or this or that. I don't know how any real trader is, because that doesn't align. But hey, I'm not here to judge. You guys do what you guys want to do. And yeah, I'll tune in with you guys later.